Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more questions from the exercise 12.1 of surface areas of combination of solids or mathematics class 10. First question, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere what is the greatest diameter? What is the greatest diameter can have? Find the surface area of solid. Find the surface area of solid. Solution. Side of cubical block. Side of cubical block is 7 centimeter. Now because it is surmounted by a hemisphere, so the greatest diameter will be 7 centimeter. Greatest diameter will be equal to side of cubical block, which is 7 centimeter. So this is a cube. Here is a hemisphere. This. And this is 7 centimeter side of cube. So radius of hemisphere is 7 by 2 centimeter. Surface area of solid. Total surface area of solid is chord surface area of cube. Chord surface area of cube plus chord surface area of hemisphere. Chord surface area of hemisphere minus area of base of hemisphere. Area of base of hemisphere, because it is placed in this way. So base is attached with the cube. So this is equal to 6L square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, which is 6L square plus pi r square. This is equal to 6 into 7 into 7 plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This cancelled. 11. We multiply this. 6 sevens are 42 into 7, 294 plus 77 by 2. So this is 294 plus 38.5. We add this. This is 332.5 centimeters square. Then we take second question. Three questions we have already taken in the previous video. Basically, this first question is the fourth question, and second question is the fifth question. This is basically question 5 of exercise 12.1. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block. From one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of hemispheres, the diameter L of hemisphere is equal to edge of cube, is equal to edge of cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. So we have solution. Side of cubical part is cube is L units. Diameter of hemisphere is hemispherical part is L units. Radius is L over 2 units. So again we have a cube now there is a hemisphere which has been whose depression is cut out from this. This has been removed from this. Therefore, total surface area of solid is first surface area of cube plus first surface area of hemisphere, surface area of hemisphere minus area of base. This is 6L square plus pi L square by 4 minus sorry, 2 pi L square by 4 minus pi L square by 4. So this is 6 L square plus pi L square by 4. This is 24 L square plus pi L square by 4. This is L square by 4 into 24 plus pi square units. So this is the area of remaining solid. Then we take next question. Third question, that is sixth question of exercise. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres with two hemispheres stick to each of its ends. Stick to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area of capsule. Find the surface area of capsule. Solution. Total length of medicine capsule. Total length of medicine capsule is 14 mm. Diameter of capsule is 5 mm. Radius is 5 by 2 mm. Now this is cylindrical part and it has two hemispherical parts stick to the ends. Now this is 14 mm and this is 5 by 2 mm. This also 5 by 2 mm. Therefore, length of cylindrical part is equal to total length minus 2 into length of hemispherical part, that is 2.5. So 14 minus 9, so 14 minus 5 is 9 mm. Therefore, total surface area of capsule, total surface area of capsule, medicine capsule, is surface areas of two hemispheres plus cross surface area of cylinder. Surface area of two hemispheres plus cross surface area of cylinder. 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 4 into pi into 2.5 into 2 pi by 2 into pi by 2 plus 2 pi into pi by 2 into 9. This cancelled. This cancelled. So it is 25 pi plus 45 pi, which is equal to 70 pi is equal to 70 into 22 by 7. This is 220 millimeters square. This is the answer. So that's all. In the next video, we shall take remaining 3 questions of exercise 12.1 of surface areas of combinations of two solids. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.